months, the Travis album is heading straight for the top of the charts, and with songs like this, it's hardly surprising. Back again, it's Travis!
Saying everything is alright, still I can't close my eyes. I'm seeing a tunnel at the end of all these lights. Sunny days, where have you gone? I get the strangest feeling you belong. Why shining, I can't avoid the lightning. I can't stand myself. I'm being held up by invisible men. Still life on a shelf when I got my mind on something else. Some days, shining, I can't avoid the lightning. Oh, where did the blue sky go? Oh, and why is it raining so cold? So cold. Why does it always rain on me? Is it because I lied when I was 17? Sun is shining, I can't avoid the lightning. Why does it always